Well, my friend George asked me, how do I carry my Brompton? And I looked for a video. I couldn't find it. I mean, there's some ways I carry my Brompton, but in different videos. So I'm making this one to show him how do I carry my Brompton. 5 ways I love to carry my Brompton. Stay tuned. Pay attention, George. I like to carry it this way because it's easy to maneuver, and if I'm gonna take my bicycle inside of my car, I'm gonna fold it, so it's easy to carry. So that's the way I carry when I'm gonna put my bicycle back in the car. Let's go. You do have to push your bike for several meters. A good way is to hold your pedal and push it. It makes a lot better and easier because it does not kick you here. See it? But don't go backwards. If you go back, the pedals stick here. No good. So just pay attention. It's a good way because I show you. When the pedals are down, it hits here. And look what happened. That's from Curitiba. It's like 2 months ago. Very nice way to carry it. And now I'm gonna show you 3 more ways to carry it. First one, to go up and down stairs. Second one will be to go inside of stores. It's very good, very useful. And the last one is the way I used to carry it before I knew all this and before I had the EasyWheel. It's just a little one. Let me show you ups and downs. This is how I carry my Brompton. I put it here, my shoulder, and go down the stairway. It's a great way to carry it. Actually, you can carry any bike that you want that has a space underneath the saddle. You just put in your shoulder and no hassle. Carry safe because you have a hand, free hand. So this is my favorite way to carry my Brompton in the stairs. Yes, because no effort, it's safe. I'm not going to rely. I almost got the wrong subway. Metro tube. I'm going to Jardim Oceânico. That one. Or my favorite one. I've seen in Petrel's video a tip that he used a Velcro to hold the back wheel so I can lift my saddle up and push or pull my Brompton. Let me show you. Okay, this was the rigid one. You put the Velcro here and you carry like this. But then, after a while, I realized if I don't have to carry it, if I don't have to pull it, I can do this. Look, I'll take the Velcro out and just leave it like this. Because when you pull this way, it stays together. So what I do is I turn a little bit the saddle a little bit this way, okay, to make it easier, and do it like this. It's like I'm pushing and I'm pulling at the same time. Why is Brompton so special? Well, the thing is, you can ride your bike and you can go inside this marvelous place, and she sits right beside you. With another bicycle, you have to live outside. This way, you can go in the metro, subway, airplane, anywhere. Just fold it, push or pull, you get there. If you did like the video, thumbs up. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do. And next to the subscribe button, there is the little bell. But you're gonna say, you just show me 4 ways. Where's the 5th one? Wait, I'm gonna show you when we get back home. For the last one. Actually, I'm saying it's the last one, but that's how I used to carry in the beginning because I didn't know the other ways. So just hold your Brompton and push it or pull it by the saddle. And I tilt it a little bit towards, when I'm gonna carry like this, I tilt it towards the pedal because when I put it up, the pedal doesn't hurt me. Look, if I put it straight, look what happens. When I put it up, it gets very close to my legs. So sometimes it used to hurt. So now I put it like this and carry it. Oh, by the way, all those ways are possible only because of the EasyWheel. See, it makes like a little card. So you got 4 EasyWheel wheels on the rack. The rack helps a lot and it's very easy to move around. If you go like this, then you got 2 wheels, and 2 wheels go very easy around. Another thing that's very useful is the extension. Yes, because then you got the whole weight of the bike on top of the wheels. Okay, so now let's put her back to rest in her little garage.